Basic grammar with their explanation. What are verbs? Verbs are often known as doing words. They can also show having or being. The horse jumped the fence. The rider had a fall. The rider is not hurt. What are nouns? Nouns are the names of people, places, things and ideas. Examples of nouns. Common nouns, dog, computer, river, biscuit. Collective nouns, names of a group of something, a herd of cows, a flock of sheep. Proper nouns, the names of people, places and so on. London, Anne. Plain English campaign. Abstract nouns, names of things we can't see or touch, love, hope, fear, decision, poverty. What are adjectives? Adjectives are described nouns. She wore a blue dress. The small dog barked at me. A cool breeze made her shiver. What are adverbs? Adverbs give us extra information about how, where or when a verb happens. Examples of adverbs. Slowly, rapidly, clumsily, badly, diligently. What are pronouns? Pronouns are usually small words which stand in place of a noun, often to avoid repeating the noun. They include words such as I, you, he, we, hers, they, it. Examples of pronouns. They, me, himself, somebody/everybody/anybody, many. What are preposition? Prepositions come before nouns or pronouns and usually show a connection. Your pen is on the desk. The children went to the park. We rested under the tree. Jim hid behind the door. What are conjunction? Conjunctions link words, sentences or parts of a sentence together. The rug is blue and cream. The road was busy. And it was loud. I closed the door but I didn't lock it because I thought she was still inside. What are article? There are two kinds of article, definite and indefinite. The definite article is the. It is used to identify a specific thing. The indefinite article is an. It is used to refer to something in general. The cat sat on the mat. We know which cat and which mat. I need a ruler. We do not need a specific ruler. Any will do. The car would struggle to get up a hill. We can identify which car, but are referring to any hill. Thank you for watching.